George, could you please tell me how to become more productive and avoid distractions from social media and other things that affect my focus? Yeah, take your phone, put it in a drawer in the morning. Don't take it out until 1, 2 p.m. depending on just block out time without phone. Phone is very distracting. I'm also prone to being distracted by the phone. So put it away physically, like literally physically put it away and don't take it out. I feel like that's the thing. You can delete social media apps. You'll probably reinstall them later when you feel like you deserve it or you have a moment. But the night before you have your next day, right? Write down one thing that you want to accomplish, right? Say you have a big project. Sabir, I know that you're editing videos, right? And you say, okay, I have this one big project for tomorrow and I want to get this, editing done, right? I have this 50 minutes of screen recording that I gotta do. And then just say to yourself, I'm not gonna take my phone out until I get that thing done, right? And then when you wake up, just don't do anything else until you accomplish that one thing, Okay, yeah, do some stretching, maybe go for a swim, have a coffee or whatever, but don't eat, because as soon as you eat, you're gonna feel lazy and foggy. Today I had some breakfast, but it's different. But usually I just have some yogurt, very light, and some coffee, and then just get into the day. And then I kind of make myself hungry, because if you think about it, if you're just physically hungry, you're gonna be hungry for accomplishment and for work as well. It helps a lot to be hungry to get work done as well. So yeah, focus, man, and just put the phone away and make yourself physically hungry and just get it done. That's it. Yes, I can. Stop watching YouTube videos on how to get off your phone. Yeah. Well, actually, I like YouTube. I'm a big fan of YouTube, and I watch YouTube myself a lot to get inspirations from what others are doing and all of that. So yeah, it's long form, not short form, but long form. I'll find sometimes a nice video, and I like to watch from all different, sometimes I'll watch some Olympic athletes, sometimes I'll watch some engineering videos, sometimes I'll watch something else. So just getting different stimuli. I have a problem. I feel my country is being slowly invaded by migrants, and I'm having horrendous thoughts of how it's going to end. Yeah. It's what can you do about it? You can't do anything about it. So it's there's things that are in your control, and then there are things that are outside of your control. So worrying about things that are out of your control is counterproductive, because what are you gonna do about it? It's not up to you, right? I mean, you can vote, right, for a different party or whatever, but it's really not in your control, right? You can't control if the winter is gonna be, cold or warm, or, you can't control which direction your country takes. You can have your own little say in that, of course, if you're living in a democratic country. But other than that, just focus on the things that you can control. Again, coming back to the daily thing, okay, I can control what I eat today. I can control how I spend my time today. I can control where I put my focus towards. So that, I think, is very important. Just controlling the things that you can control and not worrying about things. That's why I also I don't really read news, for example, because it's just gonna affect me in a negative way. I'm gonna get clickbaited into watching some shit and reading something, and then I'm gonna be I'm gonna start worrying, oh my God, something bad is happening. It's why? Bad things have happened, bad things are happening, and guess what? Bad things will continue to happen. Yeah, just ignore them. The world is not collapsing, man. I'm pretty sure in our lifetime, the world is going to be just fine. If you read history, 20th century was crazy. There's 2 world wars, presidents getting killed and assassinations and all these things. So just live your life. Worry about the things that you can control, and don't worry about the things you can't.